Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to Windows. First, make sure your Sony headphones are charged and ready for pairing. Most models enter pairing mode by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear an audio cue or see a flashing indicator light. Next, on your Windows computer, open the Start menu, then click on Settings. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left-hand menu. Ensure your computer's Bluetooth is toggled to the on position. Now that your computer's Bluetooth is active, click the Add Device button at the top of the Bluetooth and Devices window. A small pop-up will appear. Choose Bluetooth as the device type you wish to add. Your Sony headphones, now in pairing mode, should quickly appear in the list of discoverable devices. Look for your specific model name, such as WH1000XM5 or WF1000XM4. Click on your headphones to begin the pairing process. Once you select your headphones, Windows will attempt to establish a connection. You should see a confirmation message stating that your device is ready to go. If you hear an audio prompt from your headphones, that's another good sign. To ensure audio plays through them, click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select your Sony headphones as the output device. You can then adjust the volume using either your computer's controls or the physical buttons on your headphones. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try turning both your Sony headphones and your Windows computer completely off and then back on again. Sometimes a simple restart resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go back to Bluetooth and Devices, remove your headphones from the list, and then repeat the pairing process from the beginning. Finally, ensure your computer's Bluetooth drivers are up to date for the best connection stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.